How to convert PDF to Word. Hello everyone, and let's get started. In this video, we'll be talking about how can we change the PDF file and open it through the Word document. As you can see, I have opened a PDF on my Google Chrome. Now, to open it into Word document, we just have to go to Words. Once the Word is opened, go to Files and tap on Open, and then tap on Browse. Once you open the Browse section, go to Downloads and click on the PDF that you want to convert into the Word file. Once you have tapped Open it, click on Open button. This will now open a new dialog box in your Word. The dialog box includes the information how the Word will be converting the PDF into Word document, which can be editable. However, the graphic contents might not look as same as that of the PDF. It might take a while to convert the PDF into Word document. You can check the process of the converting of PDF into document, which is present on the bottom of the page. Once it is done so, it will open a new Word document in a protected view. Once this is opened, you can tap Open on Enable Editing and edit the Word document as you like. So that was all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.